Good morning, friends. This is Memo. I'm going to be making some molasses cookies. Someone asked me to make some one day last week, so I've got all the ingredients and I'm going to make them today. First, in a bowl, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. A little bit of sea salt, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, and I measured this out in a dry measuring cup. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. It called for nutmeg, but I don't have any, so I'm using all cinnamon today, and 2 teaspoons. And now I'm going to get my whisk and mix this up a little bit. I try to have everything I need on hand when I start so I don't have to ramble. But anyway, just mix up your dry ingredients and we're going to set them aside. And now, in the KitchenAid, I'm adding 1½ sticks of softened, unsalted butter. And 1 egg. And 1/3 cup of sorghum molasses. And now, using the paddle to my mixer, I'm going to give this a little mixeroonie, just until it's all smoothed out. And now I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients, just a little at a time. I'm going to add 2 more teaspoons of white sugar and 2 more teaspoons of brown sugar. The recipe called for that, and I wasn't going to add it, but now I'm going to. And we're going to mix it a little bit more. And this is what we're looking for. Now this is going to go in the refrigerator and chill for about an hour. And now I'm going to start rolling them out. About a teaspoonful rolled up in a ball. And then you want to roll them in sugar and lay them on the pan. And while you're rolling them out, adjust your oven racks to medium and high and turn your oven on 350. Now I have one pan done. I'm going to do the other pan and bake both pans at the same time. Now I have both pans rolled out, and they're going in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. Turned out beautiful. This recipe made about 3 dozen. So I'm going to let them cool a little bit, and then I'll have me some with some coffee and watch General Hospital. Y'all have a nice day, and thanks for watching.